Watch your step, guys.
Thank you.
That looks so nice.
I know, right?
It's about this side.
Then it'd be on that side.
Hello?
I'm gonna try to get a video, you guys.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Pick you guys up. Thank you.
So where are we?
Avalon, California, on the island of Catalina.
And how is the ride here?
It was decently choppy.
Decently choppy?
Yeah, it could have been worse.
Could it have?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
To the Tuna Club, duh. Now we're going to the casino.
The casino. That's not a casino. It's a movie theater, right?
Monte Carlo.
That thing right over there. Ahí va. He didn't catch anything though.
No.
No, he came right back out.
Pay and then walk around.
This is the casino area, right? The casino is up here. There's a whole room so you can check your hats. Did you see the room for hats? Right over there. It's a whole room. Yeah, it's a whole room for you to check in your hats.
Oh, there's 3 of them. Yeah. They're all there. You can jump off.
Well, oh wow, that is.
All right. I volunteer for this picture.
Who says that?
It's a guy name. What guy doesn't want to drive around?
Back in the ballroom. It's a little creepy.
I can definitely see like a...
Are you enjoying your visit to Catalina?
Yeah, I really like it here. And I'm happy I got to come inside the casino. Haven't done that before.
It is pretty cool. Albeit, like I said, a little creepy.
Why? Because there's no one here.
That's exactly it. Thank you.
You missed out.
What's in there?
Tattoos.
Oh.
The temporary tattoos and access lasts up to 7 days.
A little bit, but it's fine.
All imported from Italy. They have mortadella.
Is there an oyster in it?
Yeah. Oh, you guys aren't drinking, huh?
No.
No? I was gonna say we should do a toast, but.
I'll toast my cheers. Toast my bread.
Michelada mix is good. What'd you do? Eat it first and then chug it?
Yeah, I ate the oyster with a little bit of the michelada. And then I finished the rest of the michelada on its own. But yeah, it's got to accompany some of the michelada at least.
All right, here we go.
Woo! Heck yeah! All right. Beautiful.
That's better than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it was really good. It was really good.
All right, cheers. Cheers, bro.
All right, where to now?
I guess we just walk.
Goodbye, Bluewater. Marshmallows, not even once.
Who wants to go first? Me. You? All right. Hopefully this. Hold on.
Not enough.
There we go. There we go. See?
Oh my goodness.
Hold it still so it catches on.
The marshmallow is not going to catch fire.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. See? There you go.
Your
There you
finger
go.
is going to catch fire
There you
before
go.
the marshmallow.
There you go.
All right, I stand corrected.
This played out better in my head. Okay.
Oh, I know. I am aware.
If I do two matches.
No, but this is going down exactly like I thought it would go.
If I do two at a time, maybe it'll work out better. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
It's working.
I told you it was gonna work.
Put it out.
I told you.
All right, time to go get in line for the boat. Not necessarily get on the boat yet, but. Are you guys ready to get back on?
Where are we going?
Home?
I don't have a home.
I have to check your hands.
All right, we'll see. They took our spot. You just see black and two cruise ships in the distance. Okay, we're back home. We're off the ship. Let's go home, Nemo.
Oh yeah.